Hi, you guys. My name is Vinicius, but you can call me Vinny or Vince. I'll be talking about my traveling around the world app idea that I have. There's certain pictures that I've found and searched that I imagine my app looking like. Introduction about my app. I have some pointers. So, traveling planning. Will be destination search, future along with traveling tips and quiz trip scheduling on this app. Options apps for events. There will be that also with like Ticket Master, e-tickets, Vivid Seat, Game Time, etc. Will help people buy tickets through this app using other apps. Travel journal. There will be a way to use the camera app in order to capture precious moments during the traveling in live notes. If a person has a smartphone, maps and navigation. There will be a mark point location and used to nearby tourist spots and ways to navigate through each city around the world, each country. Next slide we'll be talking about booking, allowing to easily make booking for flights, hotels, a taxi, Uber, etc. And there will be deals with that as well as offers will show, and everything will show automatically. The recommendation reviews about the app or about the place, location, food, restaurants, taxi, transportations, uh, from other users that will be using, so you can check it out where you're staying if before you stay at the place, if everything's okay, if you're comfortable with it. Location area information. There will be information about nearby places and city transport apps to ease assist any tourists in getting to know about the city. Uh, Translation, making it easier to overcome any language barrier whenever they are visiting a foreign country. Emergency numbers of emergency service, etc. Automatic sending location of other person contacting an emergency number. That will be a big help also. Next slide. Making your mark. So you will be able to share location and drop a pin where you've been to share with friends and family where you've been around the world. The next location, we'll be able to share if the app will share your affordable and a promotion trip for the next trip. So with that, there under it says giveaway. So with that, you'll be completing a certain amount of trips, and you will win a free trip through this app by sharing all your by using this app, by visiting all the places, by sharing all the locations you've been. When you hit the certain amount that the app says that you completed by visiting certain doing certain trips and visiting around the world, you will win a free trip. So yeah, guys, this is the some of the idea I have by making this app a better app around the world. Hopefully you guys like it, and hopefully, if there's any mistakes, any pointers you guys want to give me, any what should I change, what should I do, please let me know. Thank you. You guys have a wonderful day.